Okay, do it before you chicken out.
Oh gosh.
Yep. All the way. Yep. Yes. Warrior woman.
I'm here to tell you that there's a certain magical potion that comes straight from your own body, like a superpower, that's being used in today's leading studies in regenerative medicine to cure things like Alzheimer's, liver disease, diabetes, ovarian cancer, and so much more.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. But if my skin looks half as good as yours, I'll do anything.
Guys, this is the magic right here. This is the thing I personally have been terrified to share with anyone, and Lynette is fucking going for it. I know we've all been taught that our period is shameful and dirty, but that blood is where we all come from. What if it's just like all the other societal programming that's keeping us from our innate power and our magic? That'd be quite the way to keep women down, right? And not believing in themselves. Telling them that the most natural, sacred part of their femininity that happens every month is gross. When I decided to rewrite that story for myself and make my moon time a sacred space for solitude and really celebration and ceremony, my life got a whole lot more magical. And in Native traditions, there's an entire week-long celebration when a girl first starts her moon, honoring her transition into becoming a woman.
All right, guys, so you know that I don't get Botox, no nothing, no work done. So I have been trying all different things to stay young, and the fountain of youth is right from your womb.
Yep,
Womb magic.
you look great.
The moon mask, the witchy moon mask. Great. Well,
Yeah.
here I am. I'm
Here it is.
officially initiated.
Yep.
I don't know about the drinking it thing. I don't know if I can
That's
do
okay,
that.
you don't have to drink it. That's taking it all the way. Stem cells. The stem cells that we use to cure cancer of your knees, your hips, all of your joints. They cost like $20,000 to get injected into your body. Guess where they come from? The pussy. They come from the womb. They come from the uterine lining and from umbilical cords because our period blood is the liquid of creation. When we are pregnant, it stops because that is the blood that is literally creating a baby.
So, fountain of youth.
Mm-hmm.
Ding! How did we get here? Okay, so
Great question.
we're cycling together. You
Yeah.
triggered me because
Because we were hanging out when you were bleeding.
yeah. Oh my gosh! So I triggered you.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa! And I was wearing white. I was wearing this cool white dress and
Mm-hmm.
a white hat. She goes, "Wow, girl, you're brave." So we saw each other before we went on this road trip. Then she started her moon cycle
A
early.
whole week early, yeah.
She said, "I'm gonna just be honest with you. Here's what I do when I'm on my cycle."
I put period blood all over my face so that I can get rid of all the crow's feet because it has stem cells in it and my body made it. And
It's
so
liquid magic. Just like when you're feeding a child through your beautiful breasts.
we were working and I was like sitting outside like at our little office under the trees with all these people walking around like blood all on my face.
I've actually already been putting period blood in my plants. I thought that was the initiation into like the 50 witchy tribe. Apparently, I'm still learning.
There's
so
a next
that's-
level.
There's next levels. And here is Mia coaching me through all this stuff. Tell me a little bit about like when you started doing this.
I also got initiated by another priestess in Kauai and her first thing was like, oh, you have to drink it, drink it, drink it. Drink a drop of it because it's all of this magic. And she turned me onto this book called Womb Awakening. That book has so much anthropological and historical information about what our relationship to the womb used to be. The oldest shamanic site in the entire world, the only two things that were excavated was menstrual blood, like spread around on things, and swan wings. Menstrual blood has been known as a magical aspect of creation because women can bleed for a week and not die. I just started learning and reading about all these things and I have like a super crinkly smile and so I get like crow's feet around my eyes right here and I just decided one day to like put the blood here on my face and see what would happen and when I wiped it off it was like poreless porcelain skin.
I am just now branching out and I actually didn't know what the red tent was until a few months ago. A friend of mine was like, oh, I'm volunteering at the red tent. And she told me and I was like, what is that all about? I'm still learning all this stuff, so she's
Yeah.
obviously a lot more knowledgeable. That's why I'm having to like refer to her because I'm still, remember, like I said, I am in training. So
But that's what's
Educate
so
us.
beautiful, you guys. Like, I just want to acknowledge you. It's like,
Thank you.
This is how we learn. Is we just share with one another. So the red tent, the reason why she triggered me and then I triggered her and we both like got kind of off the cycle in order to be bleeding at the same time is because women are designed to bleed together so that they could leave the tribe and go and take sacred time together in the red tent. Women would go and gather, men were not allowed. Women were together, bleeding together, sharing stories, meditating, divining wisdom. We've talked about divination, divining wisdom from the cosmos in order to take care of the tribe once they returned from that 3 to 7 days of bleeding together. So the red tent, the reason why we all cycle together is so that we could all like peace out and take a little break together and just be women and celebrate that. Usually that was during the new moon because that's when it's darkest in the sky. And then 2 weeks later, we're ovulating during the full moon. And that's why like the full moon has always been associated with like fun and sex and like being outside and getting wild. Exactly.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
This is how it happens. This is how we upgrade our lives. And so just for all of you who are watching Lynette's channel and been like, who the fuck is this new girl? This is it. This is what we're all meant to do for each other. It's just like help each other rise and learn and open. So thank you guys for accepting me on her channel because
we got to take it all the way, guys.
Exactly.
We got to take it all the way. You guys know me. When everyone else is beelining it towards one way, you can watch me and I'm running the other way. I love the shock and awe. I love to be a little bit provocative. I am in the beauty industry and I don't get any of the work done. It's just not for me. Personally, I don't feel like I need it. Look at natural things can create the fountain of youth. So while all y'all are laughing at me, I'm just getting younger. So like I'm over here with my diva cup, like I don't care. Whatever works, I'll try it. That makes sense. Your body's producing it. Why, might as well. I'll be the guinea pig, okay? And I know that I'm not alone. We're all learning. We're all growing. And it's kind of coming back to the more natural. Can't get more natural than this.
That's right. You make it yourself. It's free.
It's free.
They're charging $1,000 in LA for vampire facials, which are literally just your regular blood, and then they like spin it around and put it back on your face.
Free.
Free 99.
Free 99. DIY witchy moon mask.
And it makes your face so radiant. Try it yourself. You can use a diva cup or you can just like literally talk to your period and see when she's gonna come and like drip it out into a bowl. That's a pretty extreme version. Like you gotta work up to that. I missed a lot before I was able to do that, but it's also like really powerful to be able to communicate with your own body like that.
Yes, absolutely. Time to wash it off. Okay, you guys, so we dare you. We dare you to give this a shot, feel empowered, feel like a warrior woman, reclaim that magical fluid that comes out of you every month. Use the hashtag MoonMask. We want to see all of your results. I'm gonna keep this going, guys. I mean, my skin looks pretty good. It feels good.
She's glowing. We just want to inspire you, transform the story. When you treat your body with reverence, your body will return that reverence to you. And your relationship with your own vessel for your soul will become that much more powerful.
Yes, I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Yeah.
More videos on the way. Stay tuned. Keep following us on Instagram, at Mia Magic, at Lynette Sine. Check out our journey. Definitely use that hashtag MoonMask so we can see.
Yeah, we double dare you.
Yeah, double dare. Hey.
That's right.
That's right. Okay. It's only gonna get more magical from here.
That's right.
You can guarantee it. So, we love you guys. We'll see you soon.